Hello and welcome back to Income Strategies, the place where you'll learn the skills to make money, to multiply your money, and to manage your money. Yeah, today we're on another episode of Triangular Arbitrage. But here we are on MEXC. Yes. So what do we have here? We've got MASS slash ETH. Yes. Alrighty. So let's see how we're going to go about this, right? We'll need to buy MASS, let's just say mass slash ETH, and then we're going to change that, to mass slash USDT to get our profit. But first of all, we'll need to get ETH, okay? So to do the simulations, what we need to do is to first of all try and get ETH or ETH for short. So let's go ahead and try this out. Let's go ahead to ETH, and then we'll try to pick up what we have here is like $20.61. So I'm just gonna pick that all up, and then I'm just gonna copy. Oh, it didn't even pick everything up, it just picked up 20.60. That's fine. So let's just copy that, and then let's copy that or cut it, whichever one you want, and then go over to mass MASS ETH, because ETH happens to be the lower pair, right? So then we'll go over to just paste this in the ETH segment, and let's see, let's paste that here. Okay, so we'll be able to get 4283.45. Okay, let's just check on something in the order book. Will we be able to purchase that instantly? Well, it's possible to do so, but then we'll have to pick the first thread, okay? But let's just do this well. We have 4283. Let's see what it is if we pick up the first thread, okay? No. We're supposed to paste that here. So with the first thread touched, let's just put the ETH here. 4205. That's really low. Anyway, let's go with the basic simulation first. And then, because here we have 2530, but if we want to get this sold right away, we have to sell it or we have to buy it at 2580. Wow, that's a whole lot difference. But let's go ahead and do the basic simulation first. So we have no, that's not what we need to do. Okay, so let me go back. Let's just do sell and buy again and put our ETH here. Okay, so we're back to 4288. Okay, 4288. So we're going to copy that. And then we're going to go over and try to sell this at mass. Mass what then? That's mass USDT. Okay, let's go ahead and see how this will go. Let's click on this and put that there. Oh, 21.02. That's like about 50 cents. That's beautiful. Now, the next thing we want to do is to try and see the level of velocity and liquidity we have here. Would we be able to get this sold quickly or bought quickly? Well, let's try and see. So let's go over back to ETH, right? We have to get ETH first. So let's just do that very quickly. ETH, and then we pick up everything that we can get. Well, it was picking up only 20.60, so let's just take that up. This one I'm very sure it will execute immediately. You can see the velocity, you can see how things are moving over here. You can see that it's going with speed. So there's no problem about this place. Okay, so let's go ahead and check on mass ETH. That's where we have to be very careful, because we don't want anything to keep us waiting unnecessarily. Okay, so now I'm going to check this very, very carefully. If I want to buy this now and I don't want to wait, what I'm going to have to do is to pick on the first thread. Okay, so, and I'm going to paste in my total ETH here. Would I still be able to make profit? Let's just do this quickly. Okay, so let's go to mass USDT. Let's see what's going to happen here. Mass USDT. Okay, let's see what we're going to get. If I paste in what I have just normally, right? If I paste it in normally, what will I get? Just 4 cents. That's not really good. Because we're coming from 20.60 and then we're getting 4 cents. for that stress, except maybe, oh, we just want to just get this done over with and see how much we can make fast and do it all over again. But let's just see how this goes. Now, this is just like the semi-basics, simulation. So if I say, okay, I want to do this and wait in the queue, because don't forget, this is just like on surface value. If I really want to get this sold immediately, well, I'm going to have to pick the first, click on sell and pick the first screen, okay? And then I will paste that here and see what we'll get. Obviously, you can see we're making a loss of like 10 or 5 cents, okay? Doesn't look too bad though, because if we have to like wait a bit and all of that. So what I'm seeing here is it's better that we wait on the ETH leg. Then maybe we don't necessarily have to wait on the USDT leg, because it will definitely try and get sold, not too long into the trade. So let's go ahead and get this done quickly. Let's not waste too much time. We have to get started so that our profit potential doesn't go down. Okay, so we're going back to pick up ETH. That's what we're going to pick up now, and we're starting out. So once again, we're going to buy, and then we're picking. Whoa, now it's gone down. Oh, now we won't be able to get up to 20.59, but that's fine. That's life. If you don't make a decision immediately, anything can happen. Okay, so let's just go ahead and buy ETH, and then let's see what we have. So we're going on. Let's make sure that we snap that too. Okay, so, and I guess, oh, we're actually in the queue. Why are we in the queue? I thought, oh, good, it's sold. It's sold immediately. Okay, so now that it's sold immediately, let's quickly go over to our mass ETH. Okay, mass ETH. That's what we want to buy right now. Okay, so what we're doing is that we're just picking up the whole entire 100%. So we're getting 4298, lower than what we thought, but that's fine. We're going to go ahead and just click on buy. Okay, and the same thing goes here. We click on buy. Don't forget, on MEXC right now, there are no trading fees. Like I said some time ago, there are no trading fees. So we're just going to have to, take advantage of, this particular option right now. It's zero trading fees. Okay, so right now we're currently in the queue, and we want to get this bought. Right, we want to get this bought, but I'm keeping my eyes on ETH, okay? Because don't forget, we must always have an escape route. So let's go to the trade history and see how much we bought, ETH. And that's what we're going to use to go ahead with this. So we bought ETH at 1898. Am I sure? Oh, we bought it at what? Why is that ETH? How much did we buy it? At what level? Was it? Oh, sorry. The order price. Oh, yeah. The order price was 1898.54. Okay. So that means if I bought it at 1898, I should be looking at ETH and make sure that once my price goes above that, I should be looking at something in that range going back to Boomerang. Okay. So let's go to ETH and see what the current price is now and see whether this is doable to Boomerang. Okay. So you can see here, what do we have? We have 1899. It's still the same price. Okay, is it the same price? No, it's 1899. 1899. Okay. Oh well, it's 1898 now. Anyways, by the time we start seeing like 1900 and something, well, it might be good to consider to Boomerang. Okay. So, but for now, let's get back and see what's happening in mass ETH. Okay. Let's just check that again and then just see what's happening there. Okay. So we will check the chart and see what it is looking like. Let's look at the chart. It's actually pumping. It's actually pumping. That means that we really need to go back a little downwards because it's 2535 now. What did we say? Has this gone? No, it hasn't. Okay, what we wanted to buy, we bought it at, this is 2527. So this has to go down to 2527. Okay, 2527 means that I have to see this price go down. Let's see. The price is currently 2535. So it has to go down to 2527, okay? Which is somewhere around here. Let me see. Let me see that. 2528, 2528, 2527. Yeah, something in this range. So we needed to see to come back down. But anyways, I'll be back to give you the results. Let's see how this goes. See you shortly.
Okay, so all right, I'm back after 3 days, and well, it just seems like ETH decided to go down. As you can see here, just to let you know, it's like 3 days, yeah, because as you can see here, this is the 1 day chart, and you can see that for the past 3 days, the ETH has been going down, right? So because of that, because I bought this mass ETH. I mean, sorry, I bought ETH for 1,898, almost like 1,899, as you can see here. So right now the value of ETH has gone down. So because of that, I was actually looking at recalibrating. I was looking at, going back, because if you look at this now, if I cancel the trade right now, I would be able to probably recalibrate this and restart the trade all over again. But I'm seeing, because the value of ETH has gone down, the best thing that one has to do is to try and set a sell limit for ETH. That's just it. So I'm going to have to sell back this ETH to USDT. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to have to cancel this, because if I go ahead and try to sell it, look at the time, look at the price right now. This was the price where we fixed it to buy our MASS. As you can see, we fixed the price for us to buy it at 0.00002527. Look at the price right now. The price right now is 2572. Well, it looks like we've been stuck. It's been up and down, and it's been like, okay, it will go to 2550, 2540, 25. It's just been hovering. So I'm not sure, for the past 3 days. It's just been, let me show you the chart. It's just been, let me go back to the 1 hour chart. That's 60 minutes. Where is that? Where is my 60 minutes? No, more should give me 60 minutes. Okay, this is a 1 hour. Sorry. So you can see that it went high, right, to this point here. And so it was quite difficult to buy. Let me see what this is. This is like 2648. It went high. And now we're back at, where are we now? 2571. Okay, so I'm like, okay, for the past, let's go to 1 day and see what I'm talking about. A day. You will see that here, you can see how high it went. Yeah, as you can see here, that's really high. But what I'm thinking is that I should just set a sell limit, right, for ETH. I've been on this mountain trying to get MASS slash ETH, and I haven't gotten it. So I'm thinking, do you think it will go? Do you think that we'll be able to make this for the price? Because like the price has shifted. So I'm thinking that maybe I should just go set a sell limit. And if I see that this price goes down a bit more, and it goes down to our original price, because no matter what it is right now, we need to be able to get this back to 2527 for us to even sell this. And if we're able to get it to 2527, right, then we can now come back to MASS USDT. So let's go to MASS USDT. Then we'll now be able to sell. So let me go and see what again will happen. How much do we have? We have 4298. So if I click on sell, right, and I put 4298 quantity, 4298. Okay, I'll still make profit. So that is obviously sure that I'm going to make profit. But the main issue here is to be able to get MASS ETH at the price. So I'm still thinking, if I click on this, it's going back to MASS ETH. This is the problem. The price has decided to go up, but now it's coming down. So I'm considering, okay, let me just be on the safe side. Let's just do a boomerang. Let's go back and cancel this and go back and set a sell limit for, 1,900, thereabout. So let's just set a sell limit for ETH. ETH. Let's set a sell limit. You never know. It can rise just suddenly. So, and if we're able to do that, and that means we're going to get our money back. So let's go ahead and do this. So I'm just going to cancel this. Let me cancel that. So that's canceled, and I'm going to set a sell limit. Okay, I'm going to set a sell limit to give me 1,900. Let's see if I do this and I go and I put in the whole. All right, I'll make some profit, but I think I want to do more. Let's go back and try and do more. Let's try and add more. Let's make this. Let's make it worth our while. 1,910. Just something convenient, at least to be able to make money in it. Okay, something in the range. But if I come and I see that, do you think I should do this? Does it not seem quite? But I think we're good. Let's just go ahead and do this. I mean, there's no nothing that we're losing, right? Nothing we're losing. So let's go ahead and do this. I'll just, click on that and click on sell. It's a limit anyway, so we'll see how long that goes. But I'll keep my eyes on MEXC. Once it drops down to 2527, I'll just come back here and do that. But and if we get, if God helps us to make sure that okay, ETH goes up. I mean, it's in 1,843. Anything could happen. Some big pocket people could come buy it all up, and then before you know it, shoots up, to 1,950, and then we'll get our money back. So whichever ways, we're making our money back. All right, let's see how long this goes, and I'll be back to give you the results. See you shortly. Wow. Okay, I'm back. And it has already sold. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So let's see the chart. You can see it went all the way up there. Yeah, it did. Eventually it did. Okay, so what do we have here? Let's go and check what we have. Let's check what we have. Yeah. Can you see that we have 20.76 USDT? That means because don't forget that we started out with 20.60. Yeah, even though it only picked up 20.59. So let's just go to our calculator and do the mathematics. Okay, so what that means is that 20.76. Am I right? Am I correct? 20.76. Yeah. So 20.76, minus 20.60. 16 cents. Yeah, it wasn't exactly so fantastic, but it's something. I mean, the fact that we had to go all this merry-go-round. Don't forget that we set out to do MASS, ETH. And it took a long time, trying to convert, because what happened was the price shot up high, and we were trying to get it back to come to the price we're going to buy, and it never did. So we had to sell back, to ETH, and then trying to sell back to ETH because the price had shifted, also had gone down. We had to wait for some time for ETH to get back to 1,000, like the 1,900s, right? So that's it, because we bought it at 1,800, and I think 1,898. So obviously we definitely can sell it back any price lower than that. So we had to wait. So I think all these things that teach us, really, the major thing that this trading teaches us is to be patient. I was having a chat discussion with one of our prospective, I'll say one of the subscribers, right? Not a student, but one of our subscribers. And he kept on asking, why would he have to wait for so long for limit order to, excuse me, please, for it to execute? And he was asking me questions about how long does it typically take for a limit order to execute? And I said, well, it's taken me minutes and it has taken me up to days. So it's a long range, right? From minutes to up to days, and you just have to be patient. If you want to get out the exact price you're looking for, you just have to be patient. Now, if you go ahead and I could have used market order all along and I would have lost money. Reason being that the price of the market prices had gone down. And if I was offered the market prices, don't forget, we're talking about market order. Market order means you want to execute your trades at the current market price. If the current market price doesn't favor you, you'll be losing money. And don't forget, this channel is about helping you make sure that you don't lose money. Okay, so it's important that we're patient. I mean, you could have, I mean, my own personal, advice that you can spread your assets. You don't necessarily have to put your entire one asset into just one pair. You could have like three, four, five. I spread mine, okay, and then you put it into different, good, profitable coins. Of course, after looking at all the parameters and everything, and then you begin to, reap your trades one after the other. Of course, not every trade will be the same. And you need to remember that, okay? Some trades will be fast and some will just be, well, waiting for you to, to get it done, and you just have to be patient. That's just number one, explanation here. You just have to be patient. I hope you've learned something here, right? I gotta run along to get more trades to get done, okay? If you have any questions, please, drop that in the comments, okay? Give us a like. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Yes, smash it. Yeah. And when you smash it, make sure that you subscribe. If you can subscribe like 5, 10 times, please do that. All right. So, excuse me, smash that subscribe button. Give us a like. Give us a comment. Let people know the good work we're doing here. Share this channel to your friends and your loved ones. And if you really want to learn more, don't worry. Just click on the link in the description and we'll be chatting. Thank you so much. God bless you. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.